So while I was down at Quad State, among some other bits and bobs, I picked up a new addition to the workshop. There you go, got a new anvil in the house. This is, well, no idea what it was originally, probably about 150 or so. Mouse hole pattern anvil. Obviously the horn's a wee bit missing, but factory crown's still on there. There are some divots in the face if I get this water off. I was busy fixing the top on here, and this got a little damp. That's no matter. There are some divots in the top, and the story is the guy actually literally pulled this out of a river. Got it real cheap too, which is what I was looking for in this pattern anvil, because I mean that's the size of the sweet spot right there. On the Peter Wright, it's only maybe that big, you know, a lot smaller, and there's a lot more mass under this. This is 132 pounds. This is 145 total, both of them. Well, that's the total. So there's a lot more mass under the hammer on this one, which is what I was looking for. I was looking for a cheap mouse hole pattern anvil. That's what I wanted. So I'm going to hit it up with the knotted wire wheel. Just clean her up and then flappy disc the face. Well, got her all wheeled up. It's interesting because it certainly looks almost like the steel face is delaminating from itself, which makes sense given that this anvil has no pritchel hole, which makes it pretty old. I don't remember what the date is. The other thing is there's no markings on here as far as I can tell. That, I believe, well, actually on screen that looks almost like a marking. But that might just be rust. No markings that I can make out, so I'll just call it a mouse hole pattern anvil. Alright, going to flap wheel the face, kind of smooth out the edges of these craters and make it usable. Bought it to use it, I bought it to make it usable. That requires welding on the face. What's interesting is, well, I don't know how well this will show up on the camera, but my Peter Wright, going the sweet spot. Decent rebound. Not too bad. On this one, seems like there's more rebound on this anvil than my Peter Wright, which is certainly something I'm happy with. That sinking, I'm pretty sure, is just because it's over the where it's unsupported. And same with over here. Like no rebound on the rot part. So we'll see how she goes after the flap wheel. I'm gonna go at it with a 40 grit. I am. Sam, I am.
What does it say? Something about green eggs again?
Nah.
Food dye,
Just a green hoodie and some Spam.
Keep on putting it?
Yeah. That's what you wanted me to do, right? Do you want me to strike?
What's, huh?
Do you want me to strike?
That's good.
Okay.